Introducing the 2023 Volkswagen ID 358 kWh a Piro with equipment change and comfort pack Beetle. This stunning estate vehicle in sleek black boasts luxury features like ambient lighting, cruise control and voice control for a comfortable ride. With top-notch safety features like ABS, collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, the spoiler adds a touch of style to this already impressive vehicle. Rest assured, this ID.3 has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this exceptional deal. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.